can do it, put your back into it.
Hello, everybody. High speed on the go, baby. Sunny flower there.
Don't stop, hit it. I will, I'm gonna do it. You gon' do it. You gon' do it.
I don't understand what they're saying, but you know what? The music is beautiful and it's exhilarating. I love it. I love it. No, I'm just kidding. Sergio, what's up, man? Why are we here again? We're at San Galloway Ford with my man Sergio here, right? We're gonna be on YouTube.
Fernando, Roberto.
Roberto?
Yeah.
That's what I said. I said, what did I say?
Sergio.
Oh my goodness, I gotta get it right. Well, they got some nice cars here, man. Oh, you guys want to see the car, right? Let me go get the key. That's okay, I won't. I'll put you on there for like 20 seconds. See, you're not shy anymore. Look, you've been on YouTube for like 20 minutes already. You want to see the car? Where's Nick?
He's coming up.
He's coming. He's taking a long time, man. Oh, that's some nice stuff here, man. Let me go look at these classics real quick over here. So, guys, we're going to look at some classic cars right here, man. Some classic cars. I look funny on video. Look at it. What year is this? 1926 Model T Ford, 96 years old. Wow. Wow. This is good footage right here, huh? Oh, this is a classic right here, huh? Okay, Roberto, I got it. That's what I said. You see, that's what I said. I didn't say that. I said Sergio again. That means you got an alias now. That's good, actually. I'll get it right probably by the next visit. Okay, this is a Ford 1906 model and 116 years old. This is one of the originals, right, Roberto?
Yep, this one was potentially owned by Henry Ford
Henry
himself.
Ford and Thomas Edison were partners in some of this stuff. Wow. What a story behind this, man. And over here we have the wagon. Ford 1920 Model A Woody station wagon. Wow. Wow. These things go way back here, man. This is some beautiful stuff right here.
And all three of these do run.
And they all run. They're all efficient. About the one over there. You're not sure about that one, right?
It hasn't moved, but it does run.
Wow, this is beautiful right here. This is beautiful right here.
You got your door open and the tar off. It's starting to sprinkle a little.
Oh boy. See, that's what Sergio's fault. Oh, Roberto. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so let's go outside. Well, the guys like the car. That's good.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, it's for sale. 500K. I'm just messing with them. 500K. Come on, take a picture with it.
That's 50 over sticker, man. What are you talking about?
What's that?
I wouldn't have paid 500K.
Well, where's Sam Galloway at? He'll buy it. There's Nick. Nick, what's up? Say hello to the YouTube family.
Hey, everyone.
He's Nick. He's the general manager from Galloway Ford over
I
there.
wish, right?
I don't know why they're calling me as soon as I get to Ford. I gotta call you back. I'm doing a film at Ford. What's the matter?
Where's the keys?
Yeah, you gotta give me a minute.
Where's the keys?
Right here. You know how to start it? I'm just messing with you. You gotta step on the brake all the way.
Nah, I better not.
Sergio, go ahead. Oh, Roberto, sorry. Nick, you know how to start this? Go ahead, man.
That's on my Prius. I can get it started. I'm not worried about that.
Yeah, we can't compare this to Elon Musk's Prius. He got a lot more money than I do. Okay, step on the brake all the way down hard and press the red button. The red button in the middle. The red one right there. Look, right there. Right. No, hold it in. Yeah, you're not doing it right. There you go. Woo! He got it. He got it, man. All right, I'm gonna shut this off for a second because I gotta take a quick phone call.